and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this very basic pleated cotton face mask. We need 100% cotton fabric. This is cotton canvas. You need to wash the fabric to the highest temperature and iron it before sewing. We cut one piece 40 times 24 centimeters. We fold the fabric to half, so we get one piece of size 20 times 24 centimeters and sew it together. We turn the fabric upside down and sew the edges with the zigzag stitch. Then we make folds. I do it without a template, just by hand, it's quicker. So we take the fabric and fold it about 3 times. And then I recommend to iron the folds because it will be easier to sew the edges. Now we fold the edge and sew it to make a tunnel. We put a rubber band inside this tunnel later. We do the same on the other side. Now we cut rubber bands. I cut them about 27 centimeters long. And I like to heat sew the edges. Put the rubber band into the tunnel. And make a knot. And that's all. You can sew it very quickly, and if you don't have a sewing machine you can do it also by hand, but it will be a little bit more time consuming. If you want to make this mask for kids, you need to make a smaller size. For the kids of the age from 4 to 5 years old, it's good to cut the piece 30 times 15 centimeters, and for the kids from 5 to about 12 years, it would be about 30 times 18 centimeters. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my channel, and see you next time. Bye!